Welcome to the Knowing Your Cruiser TCR video. Balistron defines its business as building iconic and exciting mobility solutions to celebrate the future through unique styling, quality, superior safety, purposeful engineering to embrace passion for ride. Every line, surface, and detail of the Cruiser TCR motorcycle is crafted with purpose. From its sculpted bodywork to its seamless integration of advanced electric technology, it embodies elegance in motion. This is not just a machine. It is a statement of design, precision, and refined electric power in harmony. The TCR helps you get differentiated in crowds with its style, accessories, and technical details of safety and comfort. You can customize your Cruiser TCR. There are options for graphics, material, and style of your seat set. We are also cooperating with leading European bag manufacturers. Choices are unlimited to have the one and only motorcycle of yours. In the next moments, it's our pleasure to introduce you to details of the Cruiser TCR from its features to ownership. Balistron's motto is unmatched safety and comfort, seamlessly integrated into your lifestyle. Here in this presentation video, we will take you to a journey around your Cruiser TCR to share with you what have been the priorities of the engineering and commercial teams to bring you the best possible combination of specifications on your motorcycle. Daytime running lights are on immediately by the moment you start your Cruiser TCR. This feature gives visibility to other drivers in traffic. Headlight is combined with stylish turn signal lights and gives a unique styling to be noticed even from a distance. Your TCR is equipped with stylish rear lights. In a single sleek line, stop light is part of a characteristic side lights under the tail. Turn signal lights are combined with the rear mud flap and number plate lights. Visibility is powerful and looks are unique. The rear tail lights underlines the stylish looks of the TCR. For maximum safety of the rider and passenger, Balistron is equipped with two-channel ABS and traction control system. In the future of this class of two-wheeler mobility, these safety features may become mandatory to supply. However, today it's Balistron's choice to present these features to its customers on Cruiser TCR as part of our priority of bringing high safety level. When the motorcycle is turned on, ABS light is on. After 30 kilometers per hour speed, the light turns off automatically. ABS cannot be cancelled. However, if rider should need so, the TCS function can be turned off. On the other hand, we recommend all riders to keep the TCS on at all times. Balistron Cruiser comes with standard 17-inch rims and Pirelli Diablo tires as standard for European markets. Front wheel has double disc brakes and rear wheel comes with single disc. The 190mm wide rear tire reinforces the looks of the Cruiser characteristics. Engine sound on a motorcycle is arguably one of the main attractions of riders. Aftermarket mufflers provide many options too according to different tastes. Passenger car manufacturers have been using sound simulation assistance technologies on internal combustion engine and electric cars for a while, and they are serving well. However, when it comes to electric motorcycles, this issue becomes a great point of discussion. Balistron offers the Cruiser TCR owner's sound speaker as an option with a unique sound of its own to let pedestrians and drivers in traffic to be aware for maximum safety of the rider and passenger. Even more to that, you can select to turn the sound simulator on as you ignite your Cruiser TCR or turn on and off anytime and anywhere you like. Isn't that a great option? If you still think an electric motorcycle must run in pure silence at all times, then removing the speakers is so easy too. Your 5-inch TFT screen is multifunctional. On your Cruiser TCR, you have improved safety with the front camera that is always on. This camera can record the last 4 hours of your rides. Check the red microphone icon to be sure that the camera is in action. For more information on availability of front and rear camera, recording and video features, please check your owner's manual. Your Cruiser TCR comes with alarm feature for increased protection against undesired situations. The key fob is the control of setting the alarm as well as setting the start and stop functions before pushing the start-stop button. Power cutoff switch, or commonly known as the kill switch, is located in the right handle control button set. Before you turn your Cruiser TCR on, make sure it is in off position and keep it in off when parking at all times. When your Cruiser TCR is turned on, the riding mode is in parking and can be visible on the speedometer. While the switch is still off and brakes are engaged and released before ride, riding mode can shift and be visible on the screen. Even then, your motorcycle will not move. Remember that Cruiser TCR does not have neutral gear position in riding modes, and kill switch function is rider's responsibility to check while not moving. Also, do not turn the switch to off position while riding. This may cause serious consequences. Check both handles on your Cruiser TCR, and on the left you can see the settings for the heater of handles, and on the right is the heater function of the rider seat. Both can be adjusted according to your need, and should be set to off once you do not need heating anymore. Balistron Cruiser TCR has the adjustable front and rear suspension feature. You can change settings according to your riding style and road conditions. Reverse gear is a great feature, especially when you need to park your motorcycle or load on a vehicle backwards. Reverse mode is selected in the Ride Mode Selector switch. Balistron Cruiser TCR comes with push-button start-stop feature. You can use the two-step start function with your key fob, or set it to direct push and go option by setting it on your key fob. Check your owner's manual to see how to do it. Tire pressure monitoring system brings the convenience and link to safety of your rides. Changes in tire pressure may create undesired situations, so refer to the owner's manual about the recommended tire pressure level and use of TPMS. Balistron Cruiser TCR comes with cruise control system. The button on the left controls enable the motorcycle to maintain the speed during ride. This feature is rider's assistant, where speed limits or average speed monitoring is active. Cruiser TCR rear design is complete with the rear suspension arms linked to the rear wheel. The wheel is integrated with the electric motor, and direct drive of permanent magnet motor brings smooth yet quick engagement of power where there is a need of immediate power. Hub motor is supported by double arms that makes it improved contact with the road. Balistron's engineering makes it very easy to change tire or servicing when needed. Thanks to electric power, Cruiser TCR tank cap does not need to be locked. So styling of the aluminum cap adds beauty to the tank design, and unique B logo completes the convenient design of the charge port. Another benefit is no key scratches around the charge port. To start and stop your motorcycle, you can have two alternatives. If you choose to start/stop your motorcycle with keyless option, then please set your motorcycle accordingly. For setting the motorcycle to ride with the key fob in your pocket, simply press the key button on the fob for 5 seconds. Then onwards, you can always start your motorcycle with the key in your pocket. If you want to change back to the factory setting, then press the same button for 5 seconds. Your motorcycle is set for a two-step safety system. Before pushing start/stop button on the handlebar, please first press the key button on the fob once. Then start your motorcycle. Every crate includes a portable European Type 2 charge cable. Your CRUISER TCR can be charged at any plug in the grid or at AC wall charger units. Please remember the cost of power may vary according to your choice. Charging process is controlled automatically by charging procedures to satisfy the requirements of battery management system. Now we'd like to give you some hints about charging your motorcycle, so please pay attention to below highlights. 1. Prefer to charge your motorcycle outdoors at all times. 2. For safety reasons, connect your portable charge cable to the grid power supply only. 3. Ensure the vent of the charger remains unobstructed and prevent the charger from overheating. 4. Keep charge cable away from any heat source and dustproof to avoid affecting the heat dissipation effect of the charger. 5. The location should be waterproof and attention should be paid to avoiding splashing water of the driving wheel and dripping water from other parts, such as the condenser. To avoid the liquid slowly infiltrating into the charger, affecting the normal operation of the charger. Compared to internal combustion engine vehicles, electric mobility products are more owner-friendly. However, that does not mean that electric vehicles do not need any periodical checks and services. Please refer to your owner's manual and consult your service workshop to maintain the condition of your Balistron product. You are suggested to use genuine spare parts and accessories approved by your local service workshop. This will keep the residual value of your investment high, and you can enjoy ownership within the warranty terms and conditions. Washing and cleaning gives you a chance to inspect the condition of the vehicle more frequently. Be sure to wash the vehicle after riding in the snow, rain, or near the sea, because salt is corrosive to metals. Excessive water pressure may cause water seepage and deterioration of wheel bearings, brakes, and electrical devices. Avoid high-pressure detergent applications, such as those available in coin-operated car washers. Be careful to choose cleaning wax on matte-finished parts. Brushes can scratch and damage the matte finish, so use soft sponge or towel only. Towels, sponges, or brushes contaminated with abrasive cleaning products or strong chemicals such as solvents, gasoline, rust removers, brake fluid, or antifreeze may negatively affect the metal and plastic surfaces. Improper cleaning can cause cosmetic and mechanical damage. See your Balistron authorized service for additional cleaning tips. Always store the vehicle in a cool, dry place. If necessary, protect it against dust with a porous cover. Storing the vehicle in a poorly ventilated room or covering it while it is still wet will allow water and humidity to seep in and cause rust. To prevent corrosion, avoid damp cellars and areas where strong chemicals are stored. Long-term storage. Long-term storage is defined as storage lasting longer than 8 weeks. Before storing the vehicle long-term, please pay attention to below actions. 1. Make all necessary repairs and perform any outstanding maintenance. 2. Lubricate all control cables, pivots, and levers, as well as the side stand. 3. Check and correct the tire air pressure, and then lift the vehicle so that all wheels are off the ground. Otherwise, turn the wheels a little once a month in order to prevent the tires from becoming degraded in one spot. 4. Make sure the charging is checked once every week and keep charge level between 20 and 80%. Leaving your electric motorcycle without checking battery charge level for longer period may cause permanent damage on the battery and may lose warranty coverage. In case recommended actions were not followed during long-time storage, and your motorcycle does not turn on, contact your nearest service workshop. It is strictly not recommended to owners to attempt any repair, change, or under no other definition, apply electrical or mechanical revisions on your motorcycle. In case you may need technical support, please contact your nearest service workshop. The battery inside your motorcycle gets in the protection mode if charge level goes below 10%. This is a critical level to extend the life of the lithium battery cells. During protection mode, the ECU will not let the motorcycle to be charged and controlled. The button on the BMS is the activation switch on the right side of the motorcycle. In such a case, your service technician will disassemble the fairings on the right side and push the activation button. This action is the last move, and if that fails, then you may need a new battery pack to replace the battery pack that is not possible to recover. This may be one of the rare chances that you can have a closer look inside your state-of-the-art electric motorcycle. The reason we say that is it is strictly not recommended to owners to attempt any repair, change, or under no other definition, apply electrical or mechanical revisions on your motorcycle. In case you may need technical support, please contact your nearest service workshop.
Please do not forget, Balistron constantly works on product development based on customer and market requirements. Accordingly, the information shared in this presentation may vary from the product you test or own. So please consult your nearest dealer to get the most up-to-date information on styling, equipment, performance, and servicing-related details. Thanks for watching, and don't miss other content provided by Balistron. Your opinion is valuable for us, so please reach us for your questions by dropping us a line at contact@balistron.com.